we ain't ever getting older.
Okay. So, what is going on with you and Lily? And I have to be honest with you, out of all the guys that you ever brought home, he's the only one that I ever really liked.
Alright, I'm gonna tell you something, but you do not say a word to mom and dad. Are we clear?
Xavier.
Okay. He's just here to make Richard look better. What? He's doing me a favor. You know how mom and dad are. You're really gonna like Richard. Okay, well, what does he like? Well, he's sharp.
Squeeze. Woo! Yay, Xavier! Riding that helicopter.
I'm gonna stay beside
Xavier. They have a Bob the Builder, a race car, another car, and then a helicopter. Yeah. Woo. Is this his first helicopter ride? Yeah. Woo. Press the button. I don't know if it does anything. It's expensive. It's $1. Woo.
There's a motorcycle over there.
Xavier, who is that? That's Bob the Builder. Yay! I wish this thing honked. Yay!
Why are you holding on so tight?
Because it's a dump truck. You gotta hold on tight. It's a big man vehicle. Yay! Xavier, can you smile? Oh, wow. I
Let's
can't
go
even
over this
smile
one over
because
here.
it's already ended. Jeez.
Yeah, that
Aww. Hold on, babe. He's a little bit. There you go. Yay! Let's try to take a picture. Xavier.